Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 21st, 2025, we're providing an in-depth analysis of Amazon stock. Recent news headlines indicate that Amazon has surpassed Walmart in revenue for the first time, a significant milestone. Other news includes Amazon gaining creative control of the James Bond franchise and Rivian stock wavering on earnings. Let's look at the daily chart for Amazon. We can observe a clear upward trend in the past few weeks, with prices consistently breaking above resistance levels. There was a notable dip around the beginning of the month, potentially due to the news that Rivian had beat earnings. The overall trend remains bullish, however, with a series of higher highs and higher lows. Now, let's narrow our focus to the last 2 weeks of the daily chart to better see the trends and patterns. Zooming into the hourly chart provides further detail on price fluctuations. The hourly chart displays a series of consecutive green candles, reinforcing the positive momentum observed on the daily chart. We can also see signs of consolidation periods and minor retracements in between upward moves. The volume is elevated during the major moves, suggesting strong interest in the stock. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can spot a more detailed picture of shorter-term price volatility. This time frame highlights small fluctuations in price, but the overall upward trend continues to dominate. There are short-term support and resistance levels evident on this chart, which can be used to place more granular trades. Examining all three timeframes together, the correlation between bullish news and price increases is apparent. The positive sentiment in the market is largely reflecting on the price movement. Key price levels to watch include the recent high around 235, which acted as strong resistance, but is now a level of support. There is also a very strong short-term resistance at 242. A break above 242 would likely signal a more significant upward move in the short term. In the short term, the likelihood of Amazon reaching 242 is moderate, especially if positive market sentiment continues or there is any additional bullish news surrounding the stock. However, if overall market conditions shift negatively, the price could retreat to the 230 area. Long-term predictions suggest a generally upward trend for Amazon. However, the stock market is very volatile, and any number of factors can change the short and long-term price directions. The conditions necessary for that trend to strengthen would include sustained market stability, any further bullish news, and an increase in trading volume. There is also important short-term support at 230, 226, and 223. Keep an eye on the volume to gauge the strength of the price movement. Also keep an eye on the overall market sentiment, any further news releases, and any upcoming economic reports that could influence investor behavior. In conclusion, Amazon presents a bullish outlook with key support and resistance levels to monitor. This analysis is not financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any trading decisions.